Hi everyone. I have an assignment for you, assignment number 14. What you have to do is in this assignment that you just create a empty dictionary, not empty dictionary, you just create a dictionary with the name, means you store this dictionary in the variable production underscore data underscore one, where only you have a key that is water cut and its value is shown as 60, which represents 60%. I'll remove percent, you just have 60. Now use dict, you have to create this dictionary using dict method. I have told you in the first video there are three methods. So in first video of dictionaries chapter, you use dict method to create this dictionary which has a key water cut and its value is 60%. Right now, what you have to do, you have to create another dictionary of name product prod underscore dict underscore 2, which have all other details such as a key API oil and its value is 30, completion type, a key completion type and its value cased hole, another key zones and its value is this whole list, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. It means it contains 3 zones. This whole list is a value to key zones. Right now, what you have to do is, once you have created both of these dictionaries, you just merge both the dictionaries using update method. Simple, I have told you. Now now you will get a final dictionary, right? Means after merging both of them, after updating both of them, you will get a final dictionary. In final dictionary, and I just want the output in this format. Means key, then colon, its value, this key of API, its colon and its value. So just think of yourself how you can get this result, get this output. I've told you already in my one of my videos in dictionaries chapter. So I hope you do this assignment honestly, and thank you. This is only this I just wanted to describe the problem statement in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.